We're here for two things and two things only. Copious amounts of chocolate and copious amounts of cheese. We're just now leaving our room to go to a museum, and then we have to meet up for a tour that we're gonna do later. My nose is all stuffed because my allergies are really bad here, so I'm taking a lot of medication. The water smells like what? Like home? I feel like it's much cleaner than that. We made it back to South Carolina. Come to the museum. Got a little pastry while we wait for our bus. Just me having chocolate in Switzerland every chance that I get. This is really good. I love places with bike culture. Makes life easier, healthier. This is too close to my face. We're here for two things and two things only. Copious amounts of chocolate and copious amounts of cheese. I had a split second where I was like, I should bring my charging cord. Maybe there'll be an opportunity to charge it. And I didn't do it. We arrived at the chocolate factory. Hopefully no children turn into blueberries or fall into a river of chocolate on this trip. I haven't even gone in here and I have chocolate on my hands. I would never survive living in Switzerland. I would just be covered in chocolate all the time. We're here. This chocolate seems. Wouldn't be the first time I sat on some chocolate. The video screen just turned into a door. Let's go.
This music feels ominous. I'm so bitter. They have a lot of vegan chocolate. It's chocolate! Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. I think I've peaked. I'm eating chocolate in a chocolate factory in Switzerland. I don't think it's gonna get better than this. I think I've peaked. Don't eat them. This was delicious. It was really cool. I thought that was it, but there's definitely more. Look what happens. Look how happy those cows are because they're not mass produced. Thank you, Dutchman Conrad Johann von Houten, for making my life livable. You're a real one. I know where our next trip is gonna be. Oh my God. And now we're in the gift shop. Just a whole block of cheese. I'm making my way through it. I like the first two, and now it's just getting to be a lot. Ready?
Yeah, I feel like these are cooking cheeses, not snacking cheeses.
The second one was really good though. I wish I had like more, but I don't know, dude. It's a huge cube. Do you want to ride the seesaw with me? I wish you could translate smell through a video, because it smells like freshly cut grass and like clean, crisp air. If the air is amazing here. It just smells so clean. It's so beautiful. So the cheese factory was nice. It was really small. And you had to use a QR code for the English, so it was a little bit difficult to follow along. But the cheese was really yummy. And obviously I like the chocolate more, because that's just me. That's just who I am. I love chocolate. Mental health walk's a little bit different in Switzerland. Look at this. It does not feel real. It feels like something out of a fairy tale. Like, look. It's so beautiful here. The weather is perfect. Everything is just perfect. I have no words. So pretty.